tomorrow onwards, let us do one Akanda Dhyanam for the Diwali. So 23rd October, evening 6:15, we start meditation for 72 hours. 24th evening, 25th evening, 25th and 26th. Okay, 3 days. Okay, 23rd, right? 24, 25, 26. 3 days, 72 hours meditation. Let's do, friends. So that includes solar eclipse and Akanda Dhyanam. We will have morning times music and evening times. You'll be having option of attending through music, or if you want guided meditation, also guided meditation will be there. Otherwise, you can just attend without any sound also. Just come and connect to the group. No instructions, just in the silence zone. We will be having 3 options. So in the night times, the morning times, music meditation will be there, friends. Music meditation. Otherwise, you can mute the music also. Just you can come and attend to the group. 72 hours, Diwali. We need to light. We are lighting a light. Akanda Dhyana. 72 hours, one or the other people, minimum one person from our Gudakesha team will be meditating. As many hours as possible, you come and attend in the group for 72 hours meditation, friends. Okay, I wish you happy Diwali, and let this light be amazing light so that it will shine throughout the eternal times and it will guide all the world and the universe. Wish you all the best. Diwali Amavasya is one day, and surrounding days, 1 or 2 days before, 2 days afterwards, also a lot of energies will be there. Especially all this time, divine time, the winter time, India is considered the utmost divine time for the sadhana. So friends, in this time, the Diwali comes. The peak of energies are surrounded in these days. So let us utilize to keep a Akanda Jyot, this continuous meditation as much time as possible. Take some time. Of course, whatever, if you're doing job, also feel that you're with a smile. Smile is, you're maintaining the smile means your light is there. And also when you're in meditation, also the light is happening. So either you have a smile and work when you're having work, otherwise you keep as much as possible meditation. Okay. To connect to the enlightenment, there are some ways. One way is doing longer meditation, as much meditation as possible in a day. Okay. In that way, you can get fastest enlightenment. So those who are having the Honor Band 6 or POI Band 6 or any watch, try to lock more number of hours of sleep. In this watch should show the number of hours of sleep should show maximum. That happens when you keep your body relaxed, very much relaxed. Deep relaxation. Body is into deep sleep, but you're having awareness. Smile. And then at one time you will be having a lot of bliss and you will experience the enlightenment frequency in these 3 days only. The formula is simple. Do as much as meditation as possible without any movement. Relaxed body. Relaxed body. Sthira Sukhasana. Comfortable, stable posture. No movement. Sthira. And relaxed body. Then the no more number of hours the watch is showing, logging. You need to try to be maximizing the numbers in these 3 days. These 3 days, be with higher energies, overflowing energies. Being with always overflowing energies is called Divya Diwali.